Hello student, today we are going to learn another topic in our chapter respiration in organism. So today's topic is different respiratory organs in various organism. So we will study today respiratory organs in various organism. Okay, so there are different modes by which different animals or organism they will breathe in or breathe out. So first we will discuss about those organisms which use their cell membrane for respiration. Okay, with the help of cell membrane we have amoeba and other example is paramecium. These organisms, they do not have any specific organ for respiration. So we know that we have amoeba which do not have any shape. So amoeba, with the help of the cell membrane, take the air inside and outside for respiration, and this is occurred by the process of diffusion. Okay, and why they don't have? Because they don't have any specific organ for respiration. Then few organisms like earthworm and leeches, they use their moist skin see earthworm and leeches, they have very thin blood vessels in their skin. So with the help of these blood vessels in the skin, they take the atmospheric oxygen or air inside and outside of the body. So and so this process is also known as cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous. Why it is called cutaneous respiration? Because when oxygen is taken through the body skin, okay, this type of respiration in the organism is known as cutaneous respiration, and that also happen in the frog also. Frog also does the same mechanism when they go in hibernation. During hibernation, frog also follow the same procedure for respiration. Now come to the third type of respiration. Insects like we have insects like cockroach, grasshopper, these have very tiny air tubes in their body, and these tiny air tubes are known as trachea. Known as trachea. Okay. And because of these tiny air tubes, the respiration or the breathing take place in the grasshopper and cockroach. And this trachea has opening in the body, that opening is known as spiracles. जो ओपनिंग होगी इन एयर ट्यूब्स की, ट्रकियास की आउटसाइड दी body, that opening is known as spiracles. And these spiracles have valves which will open and close to control the flow of the air inside and outside the body. Okay. Next we have those organisms. The fourth one, those organisms which breathe through gills. Those use gills. Most of the aquatic animals they use gills. गिल्स क्या होते हैं? एक प्रोजेक्शन होते हैं एक्वाटिक लाइफ के बॉडी के ऊपर, फिलामेंट्स होते हैं. गिल्स क्या होते हैं? ये दीज आर दी प्रोजेक्शंस, बाहर निकले होते हैं. ठीक है, प्रोजेक्शंस ऑफ स्किन. ओके. क्या होता है जब भी फिश जो है अपना माउथ ओपन करेगी, माउथ open, then what happen? The water get inside the mouth and it come out of the gills. तो जैसे फिश क्या करेगी, अपना माउथ ओपन करेगी और माउथ ओपन करने के बाद जो पानी है वो गिल्स के थ्रू बाहर निकलेगा. उसी टाइम क्या कर लेते हैं, जो गिल्स होते हैं, गिल्स के अंदर क्या होते हैं, जो आपकी ब्लड वेसल्स होंगी वो क्या कर लेंगी, वाटर के अंदर से जो ऑक्सीजन है उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेंगी, और जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, जो CO2 है, ओके, उसको क्या कर देगी, बाहर निकाल देगी. ओके. एक्सपिरेशन टेक प्लेस थ्रू द गिल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द फिफ्थ मोड, that is those animals which breathe through lungs. Okay, like we have snake, and most important humans, animals. Okay, birds, they use lungs for the respiration. Okay, So these are the different organs we have learned today. 5 types of the different organs by which, or we can say 5 different modes by which different organism take their do the respiration process in their body. So in the next video we will study the next topic, respiration in human body.